Oh, what a time, what a time. I took Patsy on a camping trip to Mount St. Helens, and my pressure valve broke. It broke. I'll explain a little later on what I think happened, but the nozzle, like internal nozzle, broke off where there appears to be very little sealant. And to top it off, my storage compartment key broke off inside the key holder thing. So we're gonna replace the ShurFlo pressure valve water reducer piece of equipment. It didn't take long, but it was intricate, that's for sure. So let's hop into it. So I'm pointing at the part that broke. This is the ShurFlo water pressure reducer, and the elbow that connected to it was metal. So in the instructions it says that you're not supposed to use metal, and of course I didn't install this and I didn't know that it's supposed to be attached to a plastic tubing or piping, so yeah. And this is what the outside of the valve looks like. This is the connection point that broke off. It's not a nozzle. I just don't really know plumbing terms all that well. But and that's the metal elbow that the instructions say not to use, but was in fact installed. And today we got Captain Tyrone helping us. Yay! You're literally seeing a step-by-step process of what we did. So unscrew the screws, there should be 4 of them, and then you can try to take off the ShurFlo from the outside, but my suggestion would just be to push it from the inside, which is what I eventually decide to do. I just didn't want to continue chipping the paint on my Shasta, so trying to pry it off with that super strong butyl tape holding it in there turned out to be the wrong choice.
Yep. It's begun. I might try from the inside.
Probably wouldn't hurt.
Because that's...
I think the reason the guy didn't do it in the video is because he had no way to access the inside.
You can stop it.
Pushing from the inside out. Make sure to brace.
Okay, don't pull it off. I want to see what it looks like.
Make sure to brace the actual metal around the trailer, as it's not connected here. So you want to have this braced while you're pushing out on the device.
And now that it's successfully taken off, we're going to do our best to remove the excess butyl tape so that we can replace it with the new stuff on the new ShurFlo device. I'm just using a basic water and soap concoction to wipe off the rest. And this is the box. I just took pictures so you could see exactly what's on the box. It does not say what parts are included, so keep that in mind. The new device is on the left and the old device is on the right. You can see exactly which bit broke off due to that metal elbow piece. What are we doing?
We are putting pipe tape onto the connection point of the pressure valve to seal this off between the elbow and the pressure valve.
And what is this?
That is the pipe tape, PTFE tape.
And why are we only putting on one layer?
You don't want to put too much material in between, because then as you go to cinch this down, it'll compress the material and it has a possibility of fracturing the plastic connection.
Heard.
Did they change sizes? There we go. Make sure not to cross thread. And then which way is this going to sit? It's going to sit this way and here. So we want the elbow pointed that way. Hand tight right there. I wouldn't go more than hand tight because then you run the risk of cracking stuff, and that's plenty of sealant. You can feel how much it'll seal with that tape as this pinches down. Go. Oh, this isn't smooth enough.
Oh, that's because look at that.
What?
It's not coming undone. It's like melted to the... I might have... Oh, there we go. I was worried. We should really be doing this inside the trailer where dust and hair can't get attached to it, but... Oh! For exactly that reason. I actually don't think this is wide enough.
Oh, it is. I'm gonna have to take like a screwdriver or something to clear the holes, or just screw through it, I guess.
You screw through it, because then it seals the holes.
Oh, nice.
Oh! God. It can't lay in your hand. Pinch between your fingers. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, that's fine. I really should have grabbed my X-Acto knife, just like I did with the roof vent.
There might be one in my tool bag, but I doubt it.
Oh, that's
I don't know
okay.
where the hell that went.
It will survive.
Look, that's perfect. Oh, my thumb was over the thing. We gotta start over. Just kidding.
Well, I'm not a fan.
No, you're a person.
Oh my god. But it should work. Hopefully. Me pinching it down like that wasn't a bad idea.
I think it'll be fine.
I'm just using the butyl to infill some of these holes where the provided butyl or putty, whatever it is, it didn't say, which was awesome, can actually seal where it's necessary to be sealed. It's probably more important than I'm making clear that you know the difference between the butyl and the putty. I think I did not double check which one was which.
Looks good.
Like whether or not that provided tape was butyl or putty. I'm pretty sure it was putty, and I just applied some butyl to it, so we'll see if it fails in the future.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So same as with the Fantastic vent, never screw in your screw holes all the way until all of your screws are in place, because that way you don't offset the putty. Make it more tight on one side than the other side by accident. That's what you don't want to do. And
Now tighten. Okay, go around one more time. Yep. Last corner. You should see the putty coming out. Yep. So we'll take an X-Acto knife to cut away that sealant and then repaint over the scratches that I made. And then go inside the trailer and connect the piping up again until it's time to replace it with the flex tubing, as the instructions say.
So pulling out the metal tubing that connects it to the hot water heater.
Don't come over my shoulder.
You just get in the way constantly.
It's hard to do. Okay, don't strip it, right?
Don't strip
Righty,
it.
tighty, or lefty, loosey.
Don't cross thread it. What you want to do is just slowly turn it, and then you should feel it actually grab correctly. If you only get half a turn or like two turns and it really gets tight,
No, come back.
then you probably cross threading it. But you can typically feel when you're cross threading it.
Oh my god. Oh.
That should be the right way.
It's actually really hard to tell. That's like as tight as it will really go.
So then the only other thing I would say is to grab a crescent wrench and give it just a slight quarter to half turn. Or vice grips. Whatever you have available.
Is that what this is?
Yeah,
What is this?
vice grips.
Well, they don't turn very far.
That's the beauty of the... You want me to grab the crescent wrench?
Do you really think it needs to be tightened much more?
I think it'd probably be a good idea just so you don't have any dripping down here. You have to adjust the
Am
reach.
I? Like that? Was that enough?
I would give it one more. If that was super simple, I would give it one more. Like if you couldn't feel much restraint against it.
Okay. I don't know how I'm going to get it around the other edges. Ow.
You always turn the wrench around.
Huh? In the bottom? Like this way?
No. Same way you're doing it, but instead you had it this way, turn it that way.
How is that going to change anything?
It changes
because it's the angles.
Yeah, that changes the angle of this.
Huh?
It...
I can't see anything. Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. You fucker. Is that too much?
I think we're just about good. You'll feel it kind of get tight.
Moving the whole ShurFlo.
That's just my body. You'll feel it basically start to get tight. Once it's tight, you don't want to reef on it. You just want it to kind of feel like it's cinching in. If it's super simple to spin this with a wrench, then you're not there. You can see we got about halfway down the threads with this fitting, so you should have a good seal. with the pipe tape. A good seal here with the pipe tape. Shouldn't have to worry about leaks or drips.
Yay! Now we have to put that back up. How did this go? I actually can't remember if it slid backward or forward. Or how exactly that's supposed to sit. I do not remember. I got it. It sits down here. Below. And then last is the big piece here. This guy. So I pushed this snug, but I don't remember if it's supposed to sit snug. So let's pop this up first. It's pretty tight. Or maybe it is supposed to sit under there. I just can't remember if it sat on top of this lip or not. I don't know. Can't move it now. It's stuck. Oh, no. There we go. I slid it forward. There we go. Sorry. The camera's all over the place, but it's flush. It's flush now. Okay. Dunsky Wunsky.
Well, that's about it. I don't have a way to test the water pressure equipment here at home, but I will eventually. So, thanks for watching.